Castles and crowded cities are the places where now you love to stay, but remember that they will fall to ruins after you have departed from this earth. Pride and vainglory are the lure which now you love to follow, but remember, when you are about to die, they offer you no shelter and no refuge. Kinsmen and relatives are the people now with whom you love to live. But remember that you must leave them all behind when from this world you pass away. Servants, wealth and children are things you love to hold, but remember, at the time of your death, your empty hands can take nothing with you. Vigor and health are dearest to you now. But remember, at the moment of your death, your corpse will be bundled up and borne away. Now your organs are clear. Your flesh and blood are strong and vigorous. But remember, at the moment of your death, they will no longer be at your disposal. Sweet and delicious foods are things that now you love to eat. But remember, at the moment of your death, your mouth will let the spittle flow. When of all this I think, I cannot help but seek the Buddha's teachings. The enjoyments and the pleasures of this world, for me, have no attraction. I, Milarepa, sing of the 8 reminders at the guest house in Garakash of Sang. With these clear words I give this helpful warning. I urge you to observe and practice them. Thank you for listening. Please do share and like if it's beneficial. We also love to hear your suggestions related to Buddhism. Comment below or send us message on tbtbuddhism@gmail.com.